What's up, everybody? I hope you're doing good today. I got another concept to unbox. It's a Goblin XL. Let's get into it. Alright. Just knife up before I cut myself here. Alright, this is a Marshall Noble design. It's a Goblin XL. Got your typical concept paperwork. It comes to microfiber cloth and all that stuff. Seasoning pack. Yum. There's the knife. Put all that aside there. Get into the knife. It's got the bronze titanium frag pattern. Titanium clip. The black wash blade. Open her up. Ooh. Opens nice. Get a microfiber cloth, wipe the blade off. Got some oil on it. All right. Good jimping on the back. Yeah. There's his logo. Drops good. Front flipper works really good. All right, let me go over some specs with you. I guess it's inspired by a 1984 U.S. Air Force XF-85 Goblin plane. But the blade CPM S35VN has a 3.5-inch blade with an overall length of 8.57 inches. The blade is 0.137 inches thick. And of course it's got like a sheep's foot style blade. It's got a flat grind. And the overall weight is 6.04 ounces. All right. Look at the inside here. It's got some milling on the inside for weight relief. But it's a hand good, feels good. Choke up on it. Plenty of space for to put your hand on it, of course. Drops good. Front flipper's awesome. All right. Do some size comparisons with some other knives I have. Pair 2. Pair 3. It's kind of pair 2 sized. Put it up against the bug out. 940. Bigger than both of them. Put it up against some bigger knives here. Got the 80-20. And the 80-10. Cheaper knives here. Put up a porcupine. Love that knife. And the Redemption X-Lock. Bigger than both of them. Of course, it's an XL knife. But the idea of the size, it's got a really nice frag pattern though. I don't know how much I'm gonna like that clip. Let me stick it in my pocket real quick to see. Huh? It's not bad. It's a little rough on taking it out, but goes in fine. Yeah, there it is. I appreciate y'all watching. Have a good day.